Controversial Nigerian singer Abib Okikiola Badmus, popularly known as Portable, has been remanded in the Kwara Correctional Center in Ilorin, the Kwara State capital, over his inability to meet stringent bail conditions imposed by an upper area court in the state. This follows the singer's appearance in court on Monday on the charges of defamation of character leveled against him by the veteran Fuji musician Akorede Saheed, popularly known as Saheed Oshupa. The bail was granted on Monday, April 14, 2025, after Portable appeared before a court in Kwara State. His lawyer, Isaac Adebayo, confirmed that the bail was granted following an oral application. The Zazuza Kunas case stems from a petition filed by Oshupa accusing the singer of criminal defamation, threats to life, incitement, character assassination, and conduct likely to cause a breach of peace.
Sir, what is the name, sir?
Chief Isaac Adebayo.
Yeah, on the condition that bail application, have you filed the bail application or what?
No, I made another application and it was granted.
Okay. What can you say about the case that happened?
I will know. Said was saying that he defamed his character, he's intimidating him and all sorts. We were in the police headquarters and the man even begged him, Portable begged him, the CP begged him, but he said no, that until they brought him to court. And we are in court, and thank God he has been granted bail. Though the condition is a bit stringent, but we'll meet up by the grace of God.
What is the condition? Can you tell us?
That you should provide chairman of P-Man for Kwara State.
P-Man as well?
P-Man, this performing musician association of Nigeria, and someone that has a landed property at GRA. And we are meeting up by the
So what is your name and your position to the...
I'm the lawyer to the defendant, Portable.
According to the court's directive, one of the sureties must either be the chairman or secretary of the Performing Musician Association of Nigeria, while the other must be a property owner within a government-reserved area in Ilorin, supported by a valid certificate of occupancy. While this online rift between Oshupa and Portable has poured online, we'll continue to keep a close eye on this story and supply you with more news updates. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. And please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.